What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about how we can improve the car audio sound system using technology these days. I know this video is a little bit different than my previous ones, but still this is about the technology, and recently I had this problem and I thought that I'm gonna make a video about that because many of you have a basic sound system in your car, and with technology these days we can improve that quite easily. So if you want to know something about that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so first, this video is for people with basic car sound systems, sometimes called bass sound systems. All the systems basically without the amplifier. That video is for you. So for all of you that already have some kind of amplifier, this is not really for you, because if your car already has it and you want to do some kind of an upgrade, for you will be something totally different path you need to take. I have a car without the amplifier. My car has so-called bass sound system. My BMW F30 is on the market with 3 different packages for audio sound system. First is a bass, also called as a stereo, sometimes basic sound system. Then you have hi-fi, and then you have a Harman Kardon. Those 2 last have already amplifier in the system, so those systems are already good, and if you want to do an upgrade, it's quite easy to do that. But if you have basic sound system without amplifier, you are limited, and you are limited drastically. I found the product, it's called Plug and Play. It's very easy to install, and I just want to share experience in this video about that. I bought the amplifier from the company called Vibe. It's called Powerbox 4 channel micro amplifier with a maximum power up to 520 watts for precisely 109 pounds. In the US market will be around $110, something very similar. So idea is this: you will get the box around this size. The box will be connected straight to your head unit, so those 2 devices, the power box and amplifier together with a head unit, will be very close to each other. So no need to put this in the trunk, then put the wires through the whole car, nothing like that. You just need to disassemble a few pieces of your dashboard, find a nice place to just stick it somewhere, and I'm sure your car has it, because there are many empty air pockets in the dashboard we could use. And basically that's it. So in this scenario we'll be using already existing wiring. But before you can start, there is one more thing you need to remember. Because it's a universal amplifier and can be used for different cars, you need to have special, it's called T-harness. It's nothing else like a bunch of wiring. So idea is this: you will disconnect, let's say this is the head unit of your car, in other means the radio. You will disconnect the radio from the original wiring. Then you will connect this to the T-harness. T-harness will be working as a splitter, we could say. One part will be going to the head unit and the other one will go to the amplifier. And that's it. So whole installation, depends from experience, it will take from 25 minutes to 1 hour. I must say, when I was doing this, it took me 2 hours in my car because I was overthinking every step. I didn't want to break any kind of piece of plastic. So yeah, in my case it took me 2 hours, but I'm sure now it will take me half an hour at the most. If you have BMW F30 like me, this video will be just perfect for you. I will just show you what to buy, how to connect this, how to disconnect, how to disassemble things and assemble again. So this video is perfect for BMW F30 users. Before you do any decision, you need to do small research, we could say. First of all, you need to find out what sound system you have. like I said before, you can't have amplifier already, so make sure, so find out what sound system you have. Secondly, you need to check if this plug and play amplifier is compatible with your car. So so just put something like, let's say, Vibe, that amplifier model, you know, 520 watts, blah blah blah, together with the name of your car, and see what will appear in your Google search results. Because if you have different car, T-harness will look different, or you might be lucky and you will be able to connect this straight away to the head unit. Again, that depends. So if I were you, I would just put in the Google box, Google search box, something like, I don't know, Ford Fiesta model this and that, amplifier, and see what will happen. So yeah, in my case, I bought two things, amplifier and T-harness, and I was ready to go. And I was so happy with the result. Installation so easy. Plug and play system, that means you don't need to cut anything. You don't need to make any connections, special connectors. You just unplug here, plug there, simple. And another beautiful thing about this setup is you cannot go wrong with this, because all the plugs are designed to be mistake free. That means if you even try to connect wrong plugs, you will not be able to, because of the fittings, how they were designed, they will not simply fit. So there is no chance that you will make a mistake. So rest of the video now will be basically how I've done it. So if you're interested in this, don't go anywhere and watch. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this useful. Thank you, and I shall see you next time. Thank you, bye.